The PCCOOLER CPS YN1000 delivers a full 1000 watts with an 80+ gold efficiency rating, so high-end systems run cooler and waste less power under typical loads. Its fully modular design lets you connect only the cables you actually need, which keeps the interior of the case tidy and helps airflow reach hot components more easily. Support for the latest Intel ATX 3.1 standard and native PCIe 5.1 connectors makes this unit ready for modern graphics cards that demand short-burst power spikes. A large 135mm fluid dynamic bearing fan provides strong cooling while staying surprisingly quiet, and it can shut off completely at low temperatures and light loads. Internally, the use of high-grade Japanese electrolytic capacitors and an advanced conversion topology gives the power delivery a very stable, clean output, even for overclocked builds. The compact housing and broad compatibility make it straightforward to install in most mid-tower and full-tower cases, and the long warranty period adds confidence for long-term use.